Hi, I'm Graeme Taylor. I'm the CEO of McIntyre Compliance Services. We've been using Simpro now for 2.5 years, and the thing that really attracted me to Simpro was the way it talks about using customer assets and asset information. So one of the specific pain points that Simpro's helped us overcome really is around customer reporting. So our old system didn't do customer reporting very well. We now use the Power BI applications within Simpro so that we get customer reports out quicker and they're more accurate. One of the key features of Simpro that we really use are around that metrics on the data that's in there that supports us on profitability by contract. Having implemented Simpro 2.5 years ago, the real impact of our efficiency and our productivity is twofold really. In the back office, we've been able to grow without increasing our office staff. So, by simplifying our processes, it's allowed us to continue to do more work with the same level of staff. And from an engineering perspective, it's allowed us to start to push the jobs per day up. So we're seeing the average go from 2.5 jobs to 3 jobs per day in our engineering productivity. Unexpected benefits of the implementation of Simpro really were around changing our business from being a focus purely on individual jobs to understanding a bit more of a holistic view of the customer. So we're allowed to really talk to the customer about their whole estate rather than talking about individual jobs. So we've got a much better view of the whole customer portfolio. From day one, I've integrated Simpro with Sage, so our financial package, which allows us to see the data flow straight through from Simpro into Sage and allows us to do our invoicing through there, so that's been a real benefit to us. So we had some really good training from Simpro on day one, and now what we're getting is some really good ongoing support. I envisage over the next few years as we grow and as we evolve and as the industry has to become more efficient and drive a better understanding of customer assets, that Simpro will help us with that journey. One of my favourite features from Simpro is the pricing discrepancy tools. It allows us to see exactly what we're charging our customer as opposed to what we bought the materials for. We're able to find at the click of a button. I can update every single price within Simpro, so it allows us really to keep our pricing in line with where our wholesalers are. One of the real things that I would like to see from Simpro and really intrigues me is to take away the aspects which are low value, high volume tasks for us. So if we can get in a position where AI is helping us to send a link out, allow the tenant to respond to that link, auto book some of that work into our system, I think that will have some real value. If we didn't have Simpro, what would we do? We'd probably be less efficient than we are now. I wouldn't have the ability to log on first thing in the morning and see exactly where we are as a business.